Hello YouTube. Today in this video I am very much glad to share with you one unboxing of Redmi Note 8 Pro. Yes, that is the recent one or recent beast to be added in my kitty of phones. At present I am using Redmi Note 4, that is 4GB 64GB variant. Now I have upgraded it from Redmi Note 4 to Redmi Note 8 Pro with 8GB RAM and 128GB variant. So it is directly a double upgradation. So without wasting any more time, I will straight away take you to the unboxing and few specifications of the phone. This is the box from Amazon of Redmi Note 8 Pro. It costed me 18,000 rupees. So now I will open this box and will share with you what's inside. So one thing I must tell you that the packing is very good. There is least chance of this product being damaged when it is inside this packet. So I really appreciate Amazon for their world-class packing. Now apart from packing, I will talk about the box. So here you can see the box, that is Redmi Note 8 Pro is written on top, and the main feature, that is 64 megapixel artificial intelligent quad camera, means it has total 4 camera, and the variant, that is 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. And another feature, that is Alexa built in. And apart from that, what else we are getting? We are getting some contents like mobile phone 1 unit, 1 adapter, 1 USB Type-C cable, 1 SIM eject tool, 1 user guide, 1 warranty card, and 1 soft case. One important information I would like to share with you: in India the SAR value is 1.6 watt per kg, whereas this phone emits 1.130 watt per kg SAR value in head and 0.634 watt per kg SAR value in body when it is kept at a distance of minimum 15 millimeter. So this is quite below the SAR value limit that is permissible in India. So now I will open this box. So here are two seal. And after the seal, we are getting one white box like this. Inside this box, we are getting the SIM ejector tool, you can see, and some user manual, warranty cards, and the soft back cover or the TPU cover. After that, we are getting this charger, and its output is 5 volt 3 ampere. I think this is 18 watt fast charger, and one USB cable. I will show you that it is USB Type-C cable, you can see. And then comes the main phone, that is black color, Redmi Note 8 Pro. You can see total 1, 2, 3 and 4 camera. The fingerprint scanner is mounted at its rear. Inside we are getting one power button along with that volume rocker buttons. On the left hand side we are getting two tray. One is for SIM, another one is for micro SD card. On top we are getting one mic along with that air blaster, and at the bottom we are getting the speaker grill, USB Type-C charging jack, and at the same time 3.5 mm headphone jack. So this was all about the unboxing of Redmi Note 8 Pro. That was all about unboxing of Redmi Note 8 Pro. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified regarding my latest uploads. Share the video as much as possible, and if you have any query or concern, then feel free to put your comments in the comment box below. Thank you for watching the video till the end.